Today we're going to tour Senses Spa's Rainforest Room here on the Disney Wish. You can see we've got a really big space as we walk through here for Senses Spa on this ship. Just keeps going and going and going, it seems like. When you first come in, they've got lots of different products you can look at and purchase here. Of course, these are the ones they use in the spa. Stop by the desk and grab your wristband to let you into the Rainforest Room. Good morning. And then you head down this long hallway, and at the very, very end of this, we're going to find the Rainforest Room. Of course, they have other spa rooms here that we're not allowed to access. Those are the treatment rooms for massages, facials, everything you can think of. Over there on the right, we just passed by the women's changing room, but we're going to stop in the men's because I know this one's empty. They just told me that there's no one in there at the moment. And the men's changing room give you an idea of what's available because they are basically the same. First, we have our relaxation area. This is for anyone getting any type of spa treatment. They have seating available for you while you're waiting on your treatment. And they also have still and sparkling water and hot water with some teas there available for you. Just sitting in here while you're waiting. And then of course, after your treatment, you can come back in here as well. We have our towels available. We do have lockers available as well. Those are included. You don't have to pay for those. And then we have a swimsuit spinner. So if you've been out in the hot tub, it's actually really nice. It wrings the excess water out of your swimsuit. And then back here in the back, we actually have our own little steam room in addition to the 3 showers. We have 2 regular showers and one that is accessible, so a little bit different. You can see the regular showers here, small little room there, and then the accessible one has the sliding door. And it's got a little bit bigger space, of course, with the roll-in shower setup. The steam room here you can come into even if you don't have a Rainforest Room pass, if you're just getting a spa treatment, hanging out in the relaxation area for a while. It's not as steamy as the one we'll see in just a minute in the Rainforest Room, but it's a nice steam room. One other thing to point out is they do have that water bottle refill station here on the water fountain, which is really nice because if you're going to be sitting in the steam room, you probably should be hydrating as well. We're going to continue down the hallway over here and go check out the Rainforest Room. Now over to the left, you can go down that hallway for treatments. They have different treatment rooms available there, but for the Rainforest Room, we're going to stick over here to the right down this hallway. And all the way at the very end of the hall here is the entrance to the Rainforest Room. They also have additional treatment rooms to the right all the way down the hallway, but we're looking for the Rainforest Room. Again, you do have to have that band to access it. So when we first come in here, over on the right, we do have some towels and robes available for you. And then straight ahead, we actually have restrooms in here, which is really nice. So you don't have to go all the way back to the changing rooms. And both of those are wheelchair accessible, which is great. And then on the other side, when we first come in, we have our water station. We have both still and sparkling water on tap. And we also have hot water with some teas available. And then the Rainforest Room interior here, before we head outside, this is where you're going to find the rainforest part of the Rainforest Room, all the showers. You also have this really pretty new feature, these chairs that are sitting in the water. They're sitting in just a little tiny bit of running water. Very peaceful and relaxing to sit there. Of course, you have the heated loungers that you're used to seeing in the Rainforest Rooms. Super comfortable, great place for a little nap. There's 8 of those around the room here. And the rainforest showers. These are a little bit different than the other ships. They're out here and some of them are kind of more open than the others used to be, but they're not preset buttons to do different style rain showers. You have your own controls. You have 4 different knobs and you can change the jets and the intensity and things like that. So you kind of control your own experience with the rainforest showers here on this ship. Now over here past the heated loungers, we have our first sauna. This is the steam room, the hammam. Steam and cameras don't mix most of the time, so you might not be able to see very much, but you can kind of see the benches if I stay down low here. Decent amount of seating in there, and they do have that hose in there as well if you'd like to add more water and cool yourself off or create more steam. There's those other 5 heated loungers that I mentioned, and I love they added these little privacy curtains in between them. You can pull it back if you'd like to, but it's nice to have just a little bit of privacy here. And then we have over here, you see the glowing room. This is our brand new Frigidarium, and this is a really cool feature we'll see in just a second. First, I want to point out that big round thing we walked by coming in. That's also a shower. They have shower heads up in there. It's kind of open and out in the middle of everything, so I haven't seen many people use that one. All right, let's head in and check out the Frigidarium. This is basically a giant air-conditioned room that is very cold, which is really nice after sitting in those heated loungers or going in the steam room or the sauna. It stays pretty chilly in here, and I love the lighted ice look. That's really awesome. Before we head outside, we do have one more thing to see in here. We have another shower over here in the corner. Again, different style shower head on that one. And then we have our dry sauna. Right next to that, we have additional towels, and we actually have some cold towels too. Really nice addition there. The dry sauna is a really good size, and I love the style in here with all the wavy, curvy benches. And they have the little backrest too. Very, very nice. And we're gonna head outside and check out what you've probably seen in pictures, the whole outdoor rainforest area here. Not any showers out here, of course, because, you know, those are all inside. But we do have 2 hot tubs, exclusive to Rainforest Room guests who are out here. And they do actually have showers. I guess I lied on that. They're not rainforest showers. They're just showers for showering after you get out of the hot tub. And we have lots of seating all the way around in the center here and then all the way around the perimeter. Tons and tons of seating. We were out here in the middle of the day on a sea day, and we still had a few chairs available, so it doesn't seem like it's gonna get too full. They have cut back on the number of passes they're selling to try and make sure that it's comfortable for everyone. We also have that still and sparkling water out here on tap on this side and also on the far side as well. These hanging lounge chairs are really comfortable, but as you can see right now, the ones over here with the cloud cover are kind of sort of in the sun. Not great, so these would not be very popular during this time of day. So it might get a little busy on the other side where they're still in the shade. Just something to keep in mind is time of day when you come out here. The seating in the middle, this is really cool. They built a giant Mickey head for the canopy with the fans. I love that little touch. You don't really notice it down here, but from the top when you see it, definitely meant to be a giant Mickey here. Overall, we really like this outside space. It's been enjoyable to come out here and experience it and hang out, but I will say in the summertime, it's really warm in the Caribbean and the Bahamas, so you probably aren't gonna wanna spend a ton of time in the outdoor area of this. A lot of people spend more time inside, especially in that Frigidarium after you've been sitting out here in the heat. If you'd like to see tours of the other areas around the Disney Wish or the staterooms, we have links to those videos in the description down below. And that's going to conclude our tour of the Rainforest Room at Senses Spa here on the Disney Wish.